Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
Yes, producer, editors. So long you did what you want to get by your tongue. And after this, you're going to be having the friends of the celebrants. After this, we're having the friends of the celebrants. After these friends of celebrants, please get ready. After this, let's have you friends of celebrants. Let's have you friends of celebrants after this. Friends of celebrants, please get ready. After the Nollywood, let's have staff of the celebrants. Staff of Mancubas. After this, let's have staff of Mancubas, please.
Happy birthday.
Staff of Mancubas, please get ready. Staff of Mancubas.
Happy birthday to you.
Staff of Mancubas, please, it's your turn now after this. Staff of Mancubas, it's your turn after this. Thank you very much, Hollywood. God bless you all. God bless you all. Thank you. Staff of Mancubas. Staff of Mancubas, let's have you now.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Staff of Mancubas, let's have you. Let's have you.
What is a jolly good fellow? What is a jolly good fellow? What is a jolly good fellow? I'm his own. And so say and so say all of us. And so say all of us. What is a jolly good fellow? What is a jolly good fellow? What is a jolly good fellow?
Thank you so much for watching our videos, and importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. Any events going on in Nigeria, Gua TV is always the first to get there, so you just need to subscribe unless you'll be missing out. And how to subscribe? There's a circle here written Gua TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's all.
And if any event just take place or you heard something, just go on YouTube, search for Gua TV. You see the.
And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.